everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add tab stops to your Google Docs document. To begin, we want to make sure we have our ruler selected. In order to do that, you want to right click on top of here and make sure show ruler is turned on. From here, as you can see, there's already a tab stop here, and we can move this, but it is not necessary at the moment. To begin, I'm going to make space and we're going to go up here. I'm going to write tab stop demo. Now, I'm going to add a left tab stop. And as you can see, it's not doing anything because we have these. This is the general document. So there is multiple different things. This is for that and this is for this text. Bring this back here. Okay, so for this, as you can see now, we can bring this for center. And now, how this works is, let's add one more right tab stop. Bring this here. And one more left. So now, how this works is if I press tab, it's going to go to the first tab stop right here, as you can see. Now if I press tab again, it's going to go to the middle tab stop. Now this allows it to be lined up perfectly in the middle, as you can see. And if I press tab once more, it goes, excuse me, once more goes to our right tab stop, which is exactly at the right side of the tab stop. Well, that was the tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.